Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Hyundai Sonata. First, find a flat area and park your car about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your fuel tank is at least half full. Turn on your low beams and mark the center of each headlight's brightest spot on the wall with tape. This initial setup is crucial for accurate adjustments. Before you begin, grab a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. Pop your hood and locate the two adjustment screws on the back of each headlight unit. One screw controls vertical movement and the other handles horizontal. Also, double-check your tire pressure. Uneven pressure can affect your car's stance and headlight aim.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. On another note, after you're done with your car, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the house. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and perfect for pet owners, so your home stays spotless effortlessly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's adjust. For vertical alignment, turn the top screw clockwise to raise the beam or counterclockwise to lower it. For horizontal, use the side screw. The goal is to have the top of the low beam's brightest point about 2 inches below your initial marks on the wall. Make small, precise turns and recheck your aim frequently. After adjusting, step back and observe. Both beams should be symmetrical and provide clear visibility without pointing too high or too low. Take your Sonata for a short drive, especially at night, to confirm the adjustments. Pay attention to how well you can see the road and ensure your lights aren't blinding other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.